Well, that brings up a really important point about the conviction behind any move you see in the market.
Conviction. Okay.
When the article mentions who, it's typically referring implicitly perhaps to the different kinds of players in the market. You could think about, say, the big institutional players,
Mhm.
hedge funds, banks, large asset managers,
The big money?
right? Often with deep pockets, maybe a longer term view, real conviction, versus, say, retail traders, smaller, individual investors, sometimes driven more by short term sentiment, maybe quicker to get in and out.
You sometimes hear strong hands versus weak hands.
Exactly that terminology.
Yeah.
Strong versus weak hands. And understanding who's primarily driving the price action helps you figure out the underlying strength or maybe the weakness of that move.
How so?
Well, for instance, imagine a small, quick price pop on really light volume. That might just be weak hands, maybe covering short positions. It often suggests the rally might not last.
Okay. Less sustainable.
Precisely. But contrast that with, say, a steady climb on heavy volume, and you sense it's mainly the strong hands, the institutions accumulating positions. That suggests something more fundamental might be shifting.
Ah, okay. Real buy-in.
It points towards a more robust trend, not just a temporary fluctuation. And making that distinction is critical. It lets you analyze things with much more insight.
It's like having a recipe that lists ingredients but skips all the cooking instructions. Can you unpack that for us? Why is that such a perfect fit here?
Oh, it's a fantastic analogy, isn't it? Really nails the point.
Yeah.
The ingredients in this picture are the OHLC points, the open, high, low, close. They're essential, no doubt. You need them,
The basics.
the absolute basics.
Yeah.
But picture someone just handing you a list. Flour, sugar, eggs, butter, chocolate. And saying, right, bake a cake.
Uh-oh. Good luck.
Exactly. Without the instructions, how to mix things, what order, the oven temperature, how long to bake it, even what kind of cake you're aiming for, you can't actually make the dish properly.
Could have a mess.
You'd have a mess or something unrecognizable. You've got the components, you know what went in, maybe you see the disappointing outcome, but you have zero understanding of the process, the technique, the critical steps that turn those raw ingredients into something delicious.
The transformation is missing.
Completely. Without the how, the who, and the why,
Sure.
you're missing the entire creation story. You just see inputs and outputs, not the vital transformation in between. It really highlights why understanding the process is so much more valuable than just observing the final product.